Hey guys, you're driving with Joe, and in today's Tune In Tuesday episode, we're checking out the 2020 Nissan Kicks. So the Kicks is our smallest in the crossover segment and only comes front wheel drive, but the reason I wanted to show you guys a little bit about the 2020 model is that the exterior hasn't changed, but the standard safety features, just like some of our other models now, have tremendously increased. Here's a quick look at the vehicle from the interior from my point of view. I'll show you guys, just do a quick pan. Looks fairly similar to the previous model. 2019, all good, but just they're adding those standard safety features, and some of the buttons are noted right there. So right here you have your blind spot warning and the rear cross traffic alert, so when you change lanes it'll keep you safe and illuminate, and the orange light, if you've seen some of my other previous videos, that's where the orange light illuminates right there, as well as for the rear cross traffic alert when backing out of a parking stall and there's, say, two huge trucks on either side of you and someone's driving down the lane behind you. Those blind spots will blink just to warn you what side of the vehicle is driving from behind you, so you can be safe when backing out. Here is your park sensors. So they added those standard backup sensors, so when you get close to an object they'll beep, and the beeping increases over time as you get closer to an object. Next we have the lane departure warning and the haptic steering. So what the haptic steering is similar to when you drive over the rumble strip on the highway. The steering wheel will vibrate once you cross over one of the lines on the road if they are visible. Some of you might be wondering what this button is right here. That is to turn off the forward emergency braking and the automatic emergency braking from the rear as well. Emergency braking also accompanies the pedestrian detection system. So not only does the new Nissan Kicks have a lot of cool safety tech, but it'll also save you a little bit in insurance as well. And don't forget guys, ICBC, the insurance company, will be lowering your rates by, I believe it was about 10% if you have the automatic emergency braking feature in your vehicle. Now on top of all of that awesome and really useful safety stuff, they added a couple other cool things that are super useful. The passenger knee airbag, and they also added the rear side airbags right here in the back. Not only did they add a couple extra airbags, but they added the high beam assist feature, which if you're not familiar with is flick the lights on, push the stalk forward, and the high beam assist will be activated. So it's light dependent, and when the high beam system turns on when it's late at night, if there's headlights sense coming directly at you or taillights, the system will automatically turn off the high beam so that you're not blinding everyone around you. Pretty useful. Those are the main upgrades with the 2020 Nissan Kicks model. Not a big design change, but a lot of standard safety features like I just showed you guys. Definitely helps to put your mind at ease when you're driving. Everything is getting more and more congested, so maneuvering in parking lots, driving down the highway, it can definitely make it more comfortable to drive with stuff like lane departure warning, blind spot warning, and all that kind of stuff, right? And on top of that, you get a new vehicle, very fuel efficient, discounted insurance rates as well. So if you're in the market for a new vehicle, definitely have a look at the 2020 Nissan Kicks. You won't be disappointed. That's all for today's Tuned In Tuesday episode, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Support the channel by subscribing, hit the bell in the corner for notifications, leave a comment whether you liked it or whether you didn't. I always love the feedback. Feel free to let me know, and I'll definitely do my best to make these videos better for you. We'll see you next week.